guess what, guys? Courtney and I are going on a trip. Yeah, it's a surprise. We're going on a trip, so I want you guys to stay tuned. And yeah, right now I'm at the boarding gate to go there. This is exciting. Yeah, he's probably at the airport now, getting ready for his first flight ever.
Something there about the board. Nervous as hell. First time flying. No, we go board now, so see you when we reach.
I'm so excited for Babe, so yeah, stay tuned for the adventure. It's been a long day, very long day, but hey, I survived, guys. I'm on the plane. So much Spanish. Aquellos de dimensiones grandes deberán ser guardados en su equipaje de mano. La señal de abrochar su cinturón está iluminada. Por favor, asegúrese que el cinturón de seguridad esté debidamente ajustado y siempre de manera visible. Le solicitamos abrir sus ventanillas, guardar y asegurar la mesa de servicio y colocar el respaldo de su asiento en posición vertical. Gracias por su cooperación y disfrute de su vuelo. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we have closed the boarding doors. At this time, all four electronic devices must be turned off or set to airplane mode. Large electronic devices will be stowed and your carry-on bag. If passenger table sign is on, please. I reached Courtney reached. It just seemed like it's off to a crazy start because Courtney didn't land when I landed, and I was in the immigration line, so I was thinking, well, maybe I could just stay in the line and see if it come in at the line because we're scheduled to land at the same time. So no, as soon as I reach into immigration, I hear Courtney calling me. And I'm telling him, dude, you can't talk when you're in immigration. So I go through immigration and then eventually end up a baggage claim. I was just seeing where the line goes because this airport is pretty weird. You know how you go through customs and they take you through a secluded area? Here, it's just like everywhere. So basically, he just called me and said he's in. So I'm just frustrated because he's like, you should have waited on me and all that stuff. But it's like, I waited. I was in a long line. I didn't know what I was doing either.
But yeah, so I'm just in baggage claim now, waiting for him to come down. So I know, I just say this trip is off to a crazy start already. But I just hope it turns around. But I'm really annoyed. Anyway, I'll text y'all when I see him. Bye. So guys, the biggest situation happened. The immigration took Courtney and like are questioning him and stuff like that. Can you imagine going through this on your first flight ever? Yeah, so we were walking together and the guy didn't speak any form of English. So I was able to understand a little bit of what he said, and I guess eventually they told me that I had to stay and like Courtney go in the room. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just waiting on him. I'll give you guys an update once he comes back. They sent him all the way up in that place up there, and I am just like terrified for him right now. Even though they say sometimes they just verify stuff, but I'm so annoyed. Alright guys,